As homeowners here in Halton, we all know that technology is very impressive these days. With the click of a button on our smart devices, we have full control over our lights, security systems, AV systems, entertainment systems, locks, and the list could go on. Home automation is a big trend these days that's catching on. And when done right, it can add a lot of joy, convenience, and peace of mind to your life. So if you're looking to be the boss at home and the boss away from home with the aid of new technology, then there are lots of things you need to know about. Tonight, our guest Clinton Howell, who is a Director of Custom Residential Sales and Marketing with Design Electronics, is here to explain to us the benefits of home automation and why hiring the right company is important for your home automation needs. So tell us first, what is home automation and why is it such a big trend?
Well, home automation really is taking control of the subsystems of the home. So lighting, HVAC, cameras, music systems, home entertainment. It's basically, it's having all of these systems and integrating them and automating them into single, easy-to-use controls, whether that's on your iPad, your iPhone, built-in touchscreens in the wall. But having the ability to have a keypad in your master bedroom when you go to bed, you hit good night, and that turns off all the sound systems, shuts off the fireplaces, turns off all the lights in the house, et cetera, et cetera. So it's a way, home automation is a way to add a lot of enjoyment to the home, conveniences, also to increase security, and also to just to provide the overall tech that a home needs these days. I mean, so many things touch the network, for example, everything from refrigerators to your smartphones to gaming devices to you name it.
What advice do you have for homeowners here in Halton who are thinking about adopting home automation integration?
Work with a company, like hire a professional, because doing this sort of stuff yourself, you can cause a lot of inconveniences. There is a lot of issues with compatibility, different devices, things like that. So if you're trying to integrate a lot of systems together, talk to a professional about it and get some good guidance, some good advice, so that you've got an enjoyable system and not one that's causing you headaches.
How does home automation integration, how does that add fun, safety, and convenience in all of our lives?
Well, you can create some magic with it. Imagine if you have a home theater and you can come into the room and press the button for your Apple TV on your remote control, and it fires up the projector and the screen and the sound system all to the exact right levels, and the lighting dims magically just like you're in the actual movie theater. You can create elements of magic. Also, it means in terms of lighting, I love lighting automation. Personally, one of my favorite things in terms of home automation. And imagine you've got guests arriving and you're running a little bit late, and they're showing up in like 5 minutes, and you haven't had time to go around the house and set the lights. You just walk over to your keypad or grab your iPhone, hit your entertain scene, and the house is lit up perfectly. You've captured all the lighting levels that your interior designer or your architect had in mind, and the house looks perfect, right?
Now, I've just read, according to a number of economic think tanks in the USA and Canada, is that the home automation industry is going to be a $150 billion industry within a matter of a few years. So, with saying that, before homeowners spend their money, they hear lots of things up front. They see commercials, they see ads, they see promotional campaigns. What should people do before they spend their money? Because this is going to be a massive market. And what should they do before they spend their money?
Well, I think again it comes back to having a good consultant, right? Because I mean, there's a lot of products out there that claim you can do it yourself and stuff like that. And if you're just trying to time your Christmas tree, by all means, of course, do it yourself, right? No big deal. But if you're trying to automate an entire home or get into a serious system in your home, work with a reputable company. And basically, what I'd say about that is there's no one brand that's going to be the be-all, end-all. So work with the brands that company has the experience with, and see some examples of projects they've done, et cetera, right? So you can achieve the results with lots of different brands, but it's very difficult if you're just individually researching stuff yourself and then expecting someone to put it all together.
Right.